Really? Say hello.
Welcome to the other side.
Yeah. With the Pluto. He's 2 years old and he's very cute. Very cute.
Yeah.
Right.
So today we are going to make a tree. The camera failed one time, and these are supposed to be the leaves. These need to be brown, not a dark brown and not a light brown. Just normal. You could make designs on it, like a swirl.
Oh, my socks. Okay.
Touching the flower. Here's that. Right. Well, so what you need to do with to make the leaves is...
The branch looks like a turd. It looks like a turd.
Great. So what you need to make for the trees, or do for the trees, is get green clay and fill it out, or no, pinch it with your fingers. Get a spoon and then press it, and then turn that like a leaf. Turns out like a leaf. I did this with the flower over there.
And while she is making that, I'm going to show you the creations. So we made... Oh, bear with me. Okay, so we made a cookie. And we made a hot chocolate that I made, which I don't like.
Which I want to eat.
And she's not. And we made 2 lollipops. And the big one's mine, the little one's hers. And we made a donut with a bonbon with a black candle that's blown out. And we made camo. We made a beautiful flower. And we made Barney with this cute little tail. And with Pluto. And we made a Pluto.
Yeah, Miracle of Life, baby.
Are you making a palm tree, Valentina? These are the leaves. So you need to make 4, or you can make just a little 2. You can make 4 more, but not that big. Just like what she's doing right now. I will zoom in just a little bit. Can you show that piece again? Move your hand. Oh, I can't see. Okay. So that is the small leaf that's going to go on the palm tree. Isn't that right?
Yep.
And it's very hard to get off. No, bruh.
It's stuck to the thing.
And it's very cool. Hi.
Great. Here's our guest star, Pluto, that we use for our photo.
Say hi.
He's looking. He's looking.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Yeah, you're on video, buddy. You're on video.
Great. So, you get your brown clay, and then what you do is stack one by the other, like that, on one side. Stack them together on one side. Ah! And then the marks on top, you can push them down and make them that. So it looks like it's supposed to go on there.
The palm tree looks actually pretty cool that I actually want.
I can trade it with you with the...
No!
You know what I want! Okay.
Can I just, if I trade you that, if I trade you my hot chocolate, if you give me that, can I make another hot chocolate? And I'll do the video.
Yeah, we can do the hot chocolate.
Okay. And I will do it. Okay. And there is her masterpiece. Would you let it down on the bed, Valentina? Very nice. I like it.
Also, a fact. Read the box. Read the box, people. If it says to wait and harden, wait and harden. If it says to cook, cook it. But this thing says...
This says, do not bake. If you guys can see that. This says, do not bake. Molding clays contain ingredients that may stain or damage finished surfaces.
Yep.
I'm telling you, people, read the box cautiously. Read it. Was it too close to my face, Valentina?
Not mine.
No? Okay.
Okay, so this is my tree.